Dudes, check this out. Just going to show you a little quick homemade tool I made. I got some 18 gauge wire, in this case 18-2. It just means it's a 2-conductor bundled together 18 gauge. But if you're ever working in the back of a game or somewhere where you need to push a switch, make a coil fire, something that's low voltage anyway, which is most anything on a pinball machine, except if it has line voltage to it, you can do this. I took some wire, I make it 10 to 12 feet. It doesn't necessarily have to be that long, but this allows you to go in the back of the game. What I've done is taken a doorbell switch. It's nice because this one lights up when it's got power going to it. So I know this is an active switch. Solder some alligator clips, connect it to both sides of the switch. I screwed this little doorbell. This is just a little piece of balsa wood that I sanded to screw it to. You can use any push button switch, whatever. Took a little piece of beer gasket, put on the back. But now I can take this all the way around to the back of the game. I can't squeeze in there, but now I have a remote switch. So if I need to check something while I'm in the back, I can do that as many times as I want. Letter 2, letter 3, letter 4. See, and depending on what switch you put it on. See, notice there's no power going to it now because it's beyond, in this case, player 4. It just depends on what you're hooking it to. It's just a glorified jumper wire, but the beauty is you can take it around the machine. So, if it helps you, cool. Alright guys, keep playing.